Okay, we are going to set up our syllabus page next. So you need to go back to your edit screen. So wherever you are, I think we're ending up in daily schedule, just hit edit this page and you'll go back into your edit screen. Now, here's something that you have to kind of pay attention to. We need to add a page to your whole website. So I want you to pay attention over here to this pages menu. Do you see how there's like a hierarchy of web pages? You're right here. This should say your name. This is my made up teacher name. And underneath your site are the other two pages that we've set up. So whenever you add a page, you want it to be underneath your home page. I hope that makes sense. So when you're adding a page, you need to go to the home page, which is your name. Alright, and here's our home page that we set up. And then right down here it says add a page to this section. So make sure that you're in your home page before you add a page. If you're in About Me and you add a page, it's going to go like underneath About Me and it'll mess up your navigation. Okay, so make sure you're on your home page, and then you're going to scroll down here to this add a page to this section. And we just are going to add a single page right now, and the title of it is going to be, I cannot type, Syllabus. And it's single page. Right here, this is your menu, your left side navigation. So you're going to want to click this left modules because our navigation's on the left side of the paper. We don't use the right side module layout. And then banners, that's like a more advanced things that I'll have a tutorial on later. And again, you can order it. It doesn't really matter what order you go on. I'm just going to put it last on the list because I'm kind of just going down the row here. Okay, and then I hit save. When I hit save, give it just a second, it comes up, and if I scroll all the way down to the bottom, now you can see that I have a syllabus page, and up here underneath my name or my home page, I have the syllabus page that I can work on. So click on the syllabus page. Alright, and right now, of course, it is blank because we haven't put anything on it. And Mr. Crenshaw wants us to really try to incorporate Google Drive next year. So I'm going to show you how you can type your syllabus in your Google Drive and then put it on here. And I promise you that it will make more sense at the beginning of next year when we have the training on Google Drive. So just trust me and go with it for right now. So we have a blank syllabus page right now. Okay, so what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to, if you have not already, see I have all these tabs open up here. You're going to want to, if you're not already in your email, just open another tab and go log into your email. Okay, so pause if you need to do that right now. And then if you see right here, once you're in your email, you can click apps and go to Google Drive. Mine was already open, so I'm going to close that one out. And my Google Drive is full of stuff because I use it in class all the time. If you don't have anything in there, that's perfectly fine. Don't worry about it. We're going to add it at the beginning of next year. But what I want you to do is just in your Google Drive, I want you to click Create a Document. Okay, and this is going to look basically like a Word document, and then go up here and title it, and you're going to title it your name, I wouldn't put a year because then you have to update things more. We all update syllabuses year to year anyway, so it really doesn't need a date. So this is Miss Website's syllabus, because remember, I'm pretending I'm her. And I hit OK. And now I have a blank page. Now here's where you can go in. You should be logged in as yourself on the computer. And if you have your syllabus typed in on a Word document, by all means, go in and copy and paste it onto here. So I'm going to just do that. I'm going to look up my syllabus. Here's syllabus. I don't really know what that is. Yep, here's an old syllabus that I have. So here's a syllabus that I have. So what I would do is I would go in, copy it, right click, copy, minimize, then I'll go onto my Google document and paste it. And then it says this probably because of that QR code. Yeah, right there. And I'm just going to dismiss that because I don't really want the QR code anyway. This is an old one. Okay. And I could do the QR code again later if I needed to. Okay, so I've copied and pasted it. Once you copy and paste it, you might have to go in and like move things around. Like I see that kind of my you know, centering and all that got kind of lost. Go in and fix what you need to for your syllabus. But now we'll pretend like I edited everything and my syllabus is now on the Google Drive. So now I need to put it on the website, which will seem confusing, but just, you know, as I go, just pause when you need to and follow my directions. Okay? So I want you to go back and open up your edit screen where you are on your syllabus page. Okay? Alright. Now, we are going to use something called an iframe. Okay? And it's another cool little gadget that the Gabbart guys showed us. It's really handy. So, I'm going to go in here and click iframe. And a box automatically pops up and it's saying, okay, what do you want to put in your iframe? Well, I want to put my Google Drive syllabus. So I click back on it where I copied and pasted, and right up here in the corner it says share. I click that button and it will give me a URL link. So all I have to do is right click and copy that link. Then I go back to the website, right click, paste. Then I have to kind of play with the width. I don't remember. I'm going to try 750px. I'm going to leave the height alone just to see what it does. And I like things. Can't remember what these were. Let's just try not set to start and we'll play with it if we need to. You will need a scroll bar. And I like a border on the iframe, but that's totally, you can play with it and decide what you want. Again, you can fill this out if you want to. I don't really, and you don't need a long description URL, but the name and advisory title you don't really need. So then I hit OK, and don't freak out, it is there, but in the edit screen it just shows up as iframe. So I have to come down here and hit update. Once it is updated, I click back to site to see what it looks like. Now, here is what it looks like, and automatically I see a problem. My problem is it is not tall enough. Okay, remember I told you we had to play with that height thing? So I'm going to go back to edit this page. Alright, and all you have to do is right click on it and go to iframe properties. Okay, and let's try 750 height. We may have to increase it. I'm just starting there. And hit OK. Now it's this big. Okay, so I see update. Then I click back to site, and now I see what does this look like now. So right now it's like this. Scroll down. So it's about that big. Now here's where your preference comes in. If you think that's fine and you don't mind the people scrolling down to see all of your syllabus, leave it. If you want to go back into the edit screen and you want to make this even taller, you know, this is up to you. So let's try 1,000. Okay, and then we go to update, and to see what it looks like we go back to site, Alright, and now you can again move down and see if that's big enough for you. Okay, that's totally a preference thing as to what people like their website to look like. But that should cover you for your syllabus requirement.